In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up PayPal payments for your store on Wix. If you've been looking to streamline your online transactions and offer your customers the convenience of using PayPal, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through each step of the process to ensure you can efficiently enable PayPal on your Wix store, providing a seamless shopping experience for both you and your clients. Let's begin by navigating to your Wix dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage every aspect of your website, from design to performance analytics, and importantly for today, your store settings. Look for the store section on the dashboard. It's here you'll find all the crucial tools and settings to manage your online store effectively. Once you've clicked on Store, you'll be directed to a page that shows various options related to managing your online business. One of these options is Payments, and this is where you'll find everything related to payment methods currently available for your store. By offering multiple payment options, you can cater to a broader audience, encouraging more users to complete their purchases. In the Payments section, you'll see a list of potential payment methods, including the one we're focusing on today, PayPal. To enable PayPal, you'll need to locate it on the list and select it. This will take you to the connection settings for PayPal. Integrating PayPal into your store is a powerful move. It not only adds credibility to your site, but also boosts buyer confidence, as PayPal is one of the most trusted and recognized payment processors worldwide. Next, you'll be prompted to connect your PayPal account. If you already have a PayPal account, make sure you have your login details handy. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one before proceeding. You can easily sign up for a PayPal account on their website, a process that involves entering your email address, setting a password, and filling out some basic information about your business. Click on the Connect Account button, and you'll be redirected to PayPal's login page. Here, you'll enter your PayPal credentials to link your account with your Wix store. This secure connection allows transactions made on your site to be safely processed through PayPal, providing both you and your customers peace of mind. Once you've successfully connected your account, it's crucial to save your settings. There's often a Save button located at the bottom or top of the payment settings page on Wix. Clicking this ensures that all the changes you've made are applied and that your new payment method is ready to be used. And there you have it. You've now enabled PayPal on your Wix store, allowing your customers another convenient way to pay for their purchases. Remember that offering versatile payment methods